G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and everyone in between. Welcome to howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you so much for joining me here inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com, where we are all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome and repeating. Now in today's lesson I thought we'd just do a quick one, a relatively easy one today. Relatively easy. INXS, hands up who liked INXS in the 1980s. INXS, Listen Like Thieves. Listen Like Thieves, INXS, there is a tiny little sax line in it and it's kind of really cool. The band in the middle of the song, towards the end of the song, the band kind of vamps and there's all these chords and there's just this little sax line and it's really nice and I like it a lot, and I thought today would be a good day to learn Listen Like Thieves by INXS. It's relatively easy. It's only really 5 notes. It's only 5 notes. Blink and you'll miss it. We can embellish it a little bit and actually turn it into 7 notes if you'd like. But we could do 5, we could do 7. Either way, there's not that many notes. Now, just have a listen. This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Ready? 1, 2, 3, ha. Yeah, I added the 7 notes there, so cool. Let's get into it. What are those notes? The first note, F sharp. F sharp on our alto saxes. F sharp, F, C sharp, B, G sharp. Yeah, let's try that first of all. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, ha. Again, 2, 3, ha. Cool. It's that simple. It's that simple. Let's throw in our 7 notes. Let's live on the edge. At the end, there's a little bit of a trill. What's called as a trill. A trill is where you kind of wiggle your fingers. You go from one note to another note and back again, and just up and down and up and down, up and daddle, 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 daddle. It's a finger wiggle. It's nothing serious. It's smoke. It's mirrors. It's not hard. Have one more listen. Have one more listen. Here at the end, ba 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 at the bottom. Those last notes. So we've got F sharp, same notes. F sharp with the register key, F with the register key, open C sharp, no register key, B. Now this time when we go to the G sharp, sorry, when we go to the G sharp, keep your top pinky, your left pinky on the G sharp key, but go down, add the F sharp, keep your top pinky on, add the F sharp quickly and take it off again. Ba, ba, ba. So we've got la, 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 la. Yeah, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp at the end. Instead of the long G sharp, we've got G sharp, F sharp, G sharp. See, I'm not moving my G sharp key. I'm not moving my pinky on my left hand. Interestingly, the way the saxophone is designed with all the springs and all the keys and everything inside there, if you really look carefully, you press your G sharp, the F sharp disengages the little pad inside here that opens with the G sharp. So let's do that whole thing with the G sharp trill, F sharp, G sharp trill at the bottom. Ba, 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 ba. Ready? Oh, 1, 2, 3, ha. And again, 2, 3, ha. All right, let's play along with INXS. Let's play with INXS. Okay, let's pick it up. It's in the middle of the song. There's a link below to the YouTube video. Download the cheat sheet as well. Don't forget to download the cheat sheet. Please download the cheat sheet. Might make it a little bit easier for you. In the middle of the song, it's round about the 2 minutes 40 seconds mark. It's towards the end. The song itself is only about 3.5 minutes. It's around about 2 minutes 40 seconds. Let's pick it up. Let's join in. Here we go.
When it's out in your hands, you got it all.
Yeah.
You got it
All ready. One, two, go. Here we go. 1, 2,
You got it all. You got it all.
Yeah! And that is it. Blink and you've missed it. Let's play out. Thank you. I'll see you next time at howtoplaythesax.com. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. Thanks heap for joining me in this free saxophone lesson. Please, just want to remind you, if you are looking for the full lesson, we've left a little bit out of this lesson you've just done. If you're looking for the full lesson, please become a member at howtoplaythesax.com, and I'll see you inside the members area for this full lesson and many, many, many others. I'll see you at howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew. Thank you. I'll see you in another lesson.